Okay guys, ever wanted real customer proof on your store without it looking like generic filler testimonials? Well, this section makes it feel genuinely trustworthy. Today we're adding this testimonial section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Testimonial number 1. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section, type SK Proof Testimonials, and choose that section. It will be added instantly and its settings open up on the left side. Right now, it might not look exactly like the demo you saw earlier, but don't worry, we'll get there. First option here lets you choose between 3 different layouts. I'll just stick with the default one for now. Below that, you'll find the headings, brand name badge text, and rating text. Right below that is the main heading, Proof is in the progress, which is already really strong, so I won't be touching that. Along with it, there's heading text size and body text too. Below that, there's a button where you can add a link to any collection or page you want your customers to land on. After that, there's a font style option, which I'll convert to pop-ins, just like I do with every section. And last but not least, there's a full set of color options, which I'll adjust to match my store's theme, along with margin and padding if you'd like to fine-tune the spacing too. Once that's done, close this and click on any SK review card. Its settings open up here too. First, there's the card's color, currently set to blue. Below that, you can add an avatar image, so the review feels more real. I'll just add a random one here. After the image, I'll change this card's background color to black, even though it doesn't really change much, and update the name to Natasha Nice. Just a random name for now. You can also change the review heading, along with the experience text itself, but it must be real, pulled from Trustpilot or the Shopify App Store. Lastly, let's change the Read More button text to Explore. I'll go ahead and customize the rest of the cards this same way. Once you're done, hit Save. And this section goes live on your store. And here's what the final result looks like. And if you like this cursor I'm using and want to add it to your own store, the guide video is linked in the description. And don't worry, it's totally free.